In this video, I'm going to share how you can make $763 over and over again using two artificial intelligence softwares that are free to start. And it's for the beginners. You can make money online using your computer and your internet connection from anywhere in the world, any age, any gender, any experience level. And you don't need a website to start with, but if you want, you can have a website. Even if you don't have a website, stick to the end of the video because you will learn how to make a website in 3 minutes. Well, we'll come to that later, but before that, let's make money. You are looking at $68,677 in passive affiliate commissions from one of my Warrior Plus accounts. While there are multiple parameters involved to make this money, there is one little secret you need to know if you want to make this much money in 3 months' time. While we made this money in a much shorter period because we have done it over and over again and we have huge experience, we are considering you will take 3 months time to make this money, so it will be $763 per day. Sounds good? Let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family so everybody else learns how to make money online. They will love you, follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. Also subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. By the way, all the applications we are showing you in this video are in the links in the description. Don't go there right now. They are still there for you. You can grab them and start for free. Right now, focus on the video so you learn everything and don't miss a single section because everything is connected, and if you miss anything, you may not be able to make money in this system. This is an AI app that writes content like article. After logging in, all I did is wrote, how do you make a video go viral? You might be thinking why I chose this topic. I will come to that in a moment. Stay tuned. This has made me money yesterday and it is going to make me more money. In fact, this is the exact process that's responsible for this money. So keep watching. I can go in two different ways. Number one is advanced, which I chose. This way I have options to check different parameters and decide which way I want to go for. If I choose simple, then I really have nothing to do. Simply click generate article. An article will be generated in a matter of seconds. While I'm talking to you, 718 words article is generated. You understand how valuable it is. You did not type a single word. You did not do voice to text. You did not spend a single penny on article. The AI has written a unique, copyscape fast, a super engaging article. Now, if you switch on your camera in front of you and read this article, it will become a video. That makes sense to you? But here comes the second AI application that we built for ourselves to turn text and image into videos, and it takes only 3 to 5 minutes of our times to make an informative, educational, and a little bit of entertaining videos if we want to, and make us money from our 20 plus YouTube channels, TikTok channels, Instagram, Facebook channels. So yes, in all our other channels, we don't use cameras and microphones. We have an easier solution, and we use these two AI softwares to generate valuable content and answer people's question. Now let me show you where we answer question. But before that, after making a video, we turn that video into a blog post, and it's nothing but the text into our blog, and the information or the screenshots we use in our videos, we just put them on the blog in between texts, and we make money from this blog, from the videos we make, and from the answers we give to people. In the blog post, there is the payment button so people can buy from here. By the way, this software Epic is free to start. Link is in the description, and more details are also there how it works. It's super amazing. It's an AI software. It writes the script, it turns text into natural voiceover, it turns the whole text into all these slides, and for every slide you can add image, text, edit them, make them beautiful. You add any information, make it longer, make it shorter, do whatever you want. It's built for beginners, so we can literally hire any beginner and ask them to make videos for us. Then we go to YouTube and we publish our videos and we get thousands of views. And same from TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Now you might be asking, Mosh, you're talking about videos, you're talking about blog posts, you're talking about views. Where is the money? Money is on the way. Wait for it. Before we go to money, here is what happened yesterday. I opened a brand new Quora account to make some case studies about how a beginner can start by simply copying and pasting. By the way, if I forgot, Epic is free to start as well. Link is in the description. Also, you can start with browsing epic.ai in your browser and hit enter and you will end up here. Sign up to get your free access. Okay, back to Quora. What happened to Quora yesterday? Quora has 800 million monthly visitors and a lot of them come from Google. So basically engaging in Quora is getting exposure to Google traffic as well. But in any case, I simply replied a couple of questions like example, how do you make a video go viral? I saw a lot of people answer this question and they got a lot of views. Another answer got 16,000 views. Another answer got 6,000 views. So I simply copied this blog post starting from here up to here where I showed the main reason for a video of Johnny Harris to go viral. And guess what? I got 35 views. From there, I got 2 sales and made over $130 just from copying and pasting. Now let me reveal one secret. Number one, I was talking about views. Views are the real people who saw our contents or our article or our answer to the questions of people on Quora, or they click our links in the description of our videos. But that doesn't make you a lot of money because yes, people click your links, but those clicks and sales won't make you $700. What makes you more money is something called funnel, and that is why on the average from every click we earned $1.01. If there was no funnel, then maybe we would make 20 cents per click or 10 cents per click or even less. Now what is a funnel? For that you can actually go to Google and have a little read because this is a long topic for another video that I will cover in the future. And the reason I'm avoiding this topic and making this video way complicated is because you don't need to know it. What I'm sharing with you, the way to make money is affiliate marketing. And when you go to Warrior Plus and create your free affiliate account, you will be able to access hundreds of offers and you will be able to promote them. All you have to do is to choose the right offer for your audience, the audience you are making your contents for, and then click request. When you request approval, you give an introduction of yourself. Tell the vendor who you are and how you are trying to promote their offers. Maybe video, maybe blogging, maybe responding to Quora questions, maybe Pinterest, maybe Reddit, whatever your way is, explain it here if you are a beginner. And if you're a professional and you already have records, then you should put your experience here in details so they know who you are and what you can do and you are a legit person. They will approve you, then you can take your affiliate link. Put your affiliate links in your content and your content links in your Quora answers. Remember, you should not use your raw affiliate link in your Quora answers because no platform likes it. Every platform like Facebook, YouTube, Quora, Pinterest, Reddit want to see you as a contributor and want to see you as a content creator. So they want to see your own channel, maybe on other social media platform or maybe your own website. Now at the beginning I told you you don't need website. The reason is if you go to getmavin.com, you will end up on this page, and on this page you will see how you can simply copy any URL of a website right here, and within 3 to 5 minutes of your time you can make a website like this, even less than that. And I'm proud to say Maven is my software as well, and it's coming to you for free to start. Link is in the description. Oh, now you have 3 AI softwares to make money for you. To sum it up, these hops come from the real people who view your content or read your content and like your content, and this content is coming from AI software, and the dollar per hop increases when there is a high converting funnel behind the offer you're promoting. And you don't need to worry about creating your own funnel or offer if you are just promoting an offer as an affiliate. And it happens to ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus product. By the way, a shameless plug, if you search with the vendor name Mosh Bari, then you will find all my offers are converting really high and making a lot of money. Choose the one that fits your audience and you will get 50% commissions. So just by creating helpful content that answers people's questions recommendations. Using AI, you can generate hops on your affiliate links. And when your content is good, you're writing for targeted audience, they love you, they follow you, and the funnel of the offer you're promoting is high converting, then you will make more dollars per hop. That will easily make you this much money. Simple calculation: for $1 per hop, you just need to generate 700 clicks to make $700 per day. I hope now all the dots are connected. All the applications I talked about are in the description. You can get them all for free. And now let me show you how Epic works. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file, and I will choose the Squid Game story. So I will select this file and click open, and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. And after that, I will show you how Maven works. Let us make an awesome Magic Mouse article using our software Maven. First, click the Add Blog button. Copy the URL address or the link of the content we want to hijack from, paste it here, click Create button. And the whole content is loaded. Boom. Add a blog title. Let's first change the blog image. Click upload and select one of the images we have in our hard drive, and the image is changed. Let's format the text to match our taste a little bit, make it bold. Select this text and make it italic to look nicer. Let's put this part of the text in the center. I'm just showing you what's possible to do with Maven. Now select this text and add a link. Let's consider this is our affiliate link, just for an example. select this URL or the link and paste it right here and make it open a new window. Just one click and the link is added. This is the link that will make us money. Let's change this text into headline 3. Looks good. Click the save button when we are happy with the formatting. Now the full content is loaded here in the left side, but this is not our content, and that's why we are using this yellow button to use our artificial intelligence to rewrite the whole content and make it ours. And now everything you see is unique and it's ours. We can use it as our own, and you can add more elements by clicking this plus button and add elements from here. Let's add a video. Click on this button, copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Then select the place where you want to add the video, click the add button, and the video is added inside the content. Super cool, right? Let's add some more image, and this time we want to use Google CC. No, I changed my mind. Let's use Pixabay. Click Pixabay button and search with your search string. In this case, we're gonna put Apple Magic Mouse and click search. We have all these different options automatically, 100% free images, just one click and the image is added inside the content. Why not add another image to make it nicer using Google CC? Search with Apple Magic Mouse. Click the search button. All these options, all these images are 100% free to use. Click any of them, your choice, and add it. Whenever you are happy with the content, click the save button and it's saved. Now this section is completely optional, but this is good for search engine optimization. Fill in this form with relevant information. Click any of these two buttons. We want to publish right now, and it's published. It's done. To check the content, click this view button, and here is your beautiful article created in under 3 minutes without writing a single content. You can always go back and edit as you wish. But in any case, all of them are free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab all of them and start today. Create one content using one AI software, and that will make you money. It all depends on your interest of helping people, answering the questions of people, and they will return the favor with their money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same, but you can participate in this noble mission simply by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media walls like Facebook and Twitter walls. And of course, Quora walls if you're answering Quora questions and getting traffic from there. They will love you, they will follow you for sharing awesome information, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. This is how we make money online, by giving away everything for free to help others. They follow us back and they buy from us, and we make money. So like and share and subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.